Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch dis my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Now he couldn't tell you now, say may you give her money, say he get your nakedness, your boyfriend.
Naked picture. My own boyfriend, yes. We come my place saying they video me. Me no. Me no say they video me. Why they my house? You know, person boyfriend, you know go say what say the video me, but me I no be no. Say the video me. Be away there my place in the video me. Me no. Sometimes they do video call, you go video me. Me no anything. So yesterday night just called me say, you want to put my naked pictures for social media. I asked her, say, what will be the reason? When you go on my place now, you don't pass 1 month, you say you don't need me. I said, okay, no problem, life goes on. I don't forget you issue, everything don't quiet. So why now I put my picture for my naked picture for social media? Why I don't do anything to you? I don't cost you, I don't do nothing. He said yes.
Now voice he said can't give you.
Huh?
Now voice he said can't give you.
You know, send me voice, you call me on no.
Okay, now if he call you like that again, listen to me. If he call you like that again, may you record down. If you record down, just record down. Try record down. As they talk, you go just quiet so that make the voice they clear. Then you can't go police station. Not even fear. Don't give him any money. If you want bring the naked, then make it bring him. Don't give him. Because if you give him money, now so he go they ask you. If you want, make I help you call him, make I call him, make give me telephone number.
You know, I know if you call, I'm not thinking go pick her. Gambian boys, then they very rude. I don't know, but I go try last send the number. What I go Greek pick her.
Leave her. If he call you again, you know what you go just. If he just call you, you go just call. You go do record down. Maybe you get paper.
Yes, I get.
You can't go tell police. Say, see, they threaten you. Now your S. Now see, he say he record you when you did. Life it don't change. Oh, hey, life it don't change. Oh, EJ, oh, Baba, oh, your boyfriend. Life don't change. Jesus, who to trust? Oh, Baba.
Who to trust?
Oh, who to trust?
No, nothing. He come on my place, say no want me again for no reason. This way, come my house now. Me take my money to cook for. I take my money to cook for. Stay for me for 10 good days.
Oh.
I didn't do anything for now. My money, I don't ask them for €1 because now all they come out from the same country. I don't ask them for €1. I take my money to cook for. I do everything for make Soleil happy. Make Soleil happy. You know, give me €1. He go. Everywhere they go in ticket, no complete. Now me see contact my money. That's €. I say, okay.
Now how much they ask you now? May you give her?
He no give me, he no tell me amount. I no go lie. That's why he no tell me amount. He say if me no give her money, me in just want tell me when he been there my house that time in the record me. When me they take shower in the record me.
Yo, he say as you the bath, he record you.
Yeah, when me the bath.
Yo, life don't change. Oh, money waro nyame. Your boyfriend, not be saying a true face. Oh, person where you just come your house.
Now my boyfriend, not be saying a fuck will pay me or no. Now my boyfriend. Now person who speak one language, now my boyfriend. So now me no be no say they do me anything because my mind no even go there. My thinking no go even go something like that. Say he go do one to me. Because no quarrel, I not do am bad. If you do person bad, now you could say okay, you could do. But I not do you bad. At least you try all kind of way for make so that you happy. We dey my place. Okay, when you come on my place, where you go? 1 week you know they pick my call. I don't confess. I don't know what an accident happened to her. What nothing happened. I don't know. I go call her. You know, go pick 1 week. I go send a message. You go read. I go ignore. in please one day now say me say in the please in a lot of stress for your head. Let me give her time.
Where you know the boy?
Huh?
Where you know the boy?
The boy now my country person, the boy will just know ourselves for Dortmund here. Inside Uber, inside train.
Now inside train you know her.
Now inside
You know where the boy they stay. You know where the boy they stay.
No.
You don't know where the boy they stay.
No.
How many times the boy don't come your house?
You don't come my house now. One time they don't come my house.
You only
don't talk more than many months before they come.
Okay, una don't they talk for more than many months before you come invite and make come your house.
Yes.
Because you know why they ask you question. You know why they ask you question. I want make other people, other women learn from it. Even me. Okay, now, how many months una take talk before you invite and come your house?
Don't talk more than 4 months.
More than 4 months. You can't tell us say me come visit you.
Because you talk about marriage, now say before you marry person, you must see them for come first most do as if now 1 week most do arrange. So as you come, you say now 1 week you go constantly say okay. No problem, try come on, let's see, because don't talk more than 4 months. So as you come, you know, can stay 1 week, you can stay for 10 days. You can stay for 10 days for the house. I say, no problem, because I'm married. He say, if you go say, call my parents, go send something for my parents for pay. I said, okay, no problem. But as you go, you get other people. But the time way in my house, maybe see other Nigerian girl naked pictures for in a mobile. I can't ask and say, you say you want me for marriage, but I don't see somebody naked. You say, no, that one 9X, that Nigerian girl 9X, making forget for delete the pictures. I say, okay, but the girl would took it. I say, okay, no problem.
My sister, you know they follow my program.
I follow.
I always talk, say, if you jam a man, you never know, I never know. They talk of marriage, that man a 419. Any man will never know you never know your pints. You never know, I will never play rich anywhere. If they talk and say, I want to marry you, I want to go see your family. It's a game. Now, 419, they be. It's a game. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a game.
What in the pay me, I don't do you nothing. Or no quarrel, or no argue. No argument, no quarrel. If you when they come, you leave all in things for my house. You leave in luggage, in boxer, in shoe, all in things. Look, then they my house. You leave the all in things. Only cloth way they from body, neck, now you carry go. Everything.
And if like say you know, as he come your house, you for not agree, may touch you. As I said, at the first time when they come your house, you for not agree, may touch you. You see, now make every time if I they preach, I go to tell my people say, man, I'm not gonna look my face. They listen to what they tell you now. First time we come your house, you for not let them see your pint. You go for not even let them sleep themselves. Even if he sleep, the next day make him go, may not touch you. Now so you for doing. You made a very big mistake. People will learn from your mistake. So after I talk with you, I go take and advise them. What I go tell you, let him call you again. Record him, take that record to police station with the telephone number. They go trace him. Okay, make them warn her. If any of your naked picture come out, is in trouble. Maybe the boy they take and play people before. Now they rain now, even Facebook.
Because in phone, I see one Nigerian girl, and the girls they do sex. Video they inside in phone. With the girl in kit all day, the girl get 2 kids. I can say
If I see any comment where they stupid, I will block you. Okay? If I see any useless comment for my live video here, I'm gonna block you. Okay? You know what me comment you know my mama no gonna go ije yeah block you we. Emi ogbelu kwa gbogbo ye na. Iteme me si wa gben emi no mama jema na. I go block you. I won't do have bad luck. I say na gbon na log wo na ba me no make e wa so. Hello, talk my sister.
Yeah.
I go block them.
Now.
Me ogbo e. Abobo. Omo tell ma gbon wa gben emi no mama jema na. So don't fit to learn from this mistake. Look at when I was beba. O bonuwa anybody no jo boy yak men no mama ye mana. O bonuwa ya kami ete okay ya khinu. O iwo okay ya khinu. O balo ka ya kinu e. O body nu ya gbon mi je ma. Unless we get at here we. Get at wa. Itema gbon. Kemena na tana ken wa on we o de no ma se. Hello, talk my sister. About Babu, Baba Monzo.
So the thing now, in things they
Now, when the boy come your house, how many weeks he spent?
now 10 days is the 10 days.
Ah, 10 days. Why you go to allow boy spend it? First time when they come your house?
Before if you say if you come in a 1 week, you go start so okay.
So I not to blame you, Sha. I not to blame you. You understand? It can happen, but that boy na bad heads. I not blame you. You're not wrong. You are a woman. You don't talk with a guy for 4 months before you accept for her. Before you tell us, okay, come and visit me. He come now, he can't record you as you the bath, he video you.
So you go now, you go. I say for this way you go now. 1 week, you need to pick my call.
As he come up for your place after spending 10 days, 1 week he not pick your call.
You know, come pick my call. So me going to confess what I get as done for road. What something bad happened from me going to confess. I know if you eat for that 1 week, going to confess. Day one, the night go send him say in the okay or in the fine. Everything the okay that engage for your health. German been say me bring in passport. If you don't bring in passport, then don't stop your job. This and this. So let me give her time. Now he making me pick my call. Cause okay.
Not sure true. Not playboy. God go destroy.
Yeah, we don't want to pass again. Another 2 weeks again. I no go call her again. I relax. So this days, this last month, where this happened. I don't pass 1 month now. Where this happened. So these days now, they call me on no number. I got pick it. Who is this? Hey, nine. I say, your things. Why say no need relationship again? Not be by force. Okay, your things now. I go tell me your address. Like post your things. He say no need even things. But your box starts. Then he say your part everything. You know, save this now. We can roll it. You know, care. If you anywhere me want carry in pants, go make me carry go. You know even care, you know care for property. What you want tell me so? Say if you me, you don't come my house so. You know they video me. Why me the bath? I can say, what I do you to deserve that from you? Why come I give you my body? I cook for you. I make so you happy. I never ask you for €1. I take my own money. They cook in the morning, go eat breakfast, go eat lunch, go eat dinner. I never ask you for €1. I treat you good. So what did I do you to deserve that? No. Me not do anything. But you just tell me. Now you need money. If you me not give her that money, you go take my naked picture to social. I said, what did I do? Why you go take my naked picture to social media?
Let him do it. Okay? Just relax. So make her attend to my people. No fear. No fear. If he call you again, just quiet. Let her talk. They record down. Okay? Record down. When you record down finish, you cut your phone.
Okay.
Record down. Then you go tell and say, go and bring my nakedness comments. Okay? No fear. No fear.
Okay,
Yeah? No fear. People when they don't carry their nakedness comment, they never die. They are still living. No fear at all. No fear. Relax. You know, see that girl, that Nigeria girl where they sing.
Yeah.
When boyfriend, when they talk, they not be boyfriend. Say when they call him manager, tell him say they want bring his SCDC command, make it come pay so amount. He tell them he can never pay. No, not bring the video. So they will call when the video come out, it rain for Facebook for 2 days. You say I say it rain again. The thing not cover. That thing not be new thing now. You not go steal for person hand. You not do anything. You not do evil. So those things not be anything.
In things I want that to ready.
Not throw away it is still live on. Not throw away. Okay? May not go juice that one enter your body. Live on. He go juice the hand. When you go there, no beggar man. If you beggar, you don't kill your career.
No.
Just record down. Anytime we take call, you just quiet the record down. When you talk, you go say, go and bring my nakedness. Come on. Permit her. He not go kill you. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Oh, baby man, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Mom. You're at something.
He said, "Oh, side you went."
Come, Mommy. Mom, you're so blessed. We put the new year not. So I've got me one lao one. na beg. Mommy, when again, because a boy si Moria to Agbine, how can imagine a girlfriend you wear? Street not beg or anything, your girlfriend. Or when a man treats you were bad one day, or we are getting mommy, when are you Latia? When again, yeah. We understand, when I see I when again, yeah, or when what I'm about, when I wear a record, the egg beside when you look back. Area La Jomara. Omara maka any beer, matwe media, when I see I wanna go
Life not church.
Because I rigone mommy. On a rigone, yet go and I can optimize ego all the time from this game. Again, now can give me rest of mind. When I get rigone mommy lago go, when I see I wanna no, where we look back, egg be son. Oh, then you will. It's a young woman, jury.
Bye bye. There anybody watching and a boyfriend or get threatening or a girlfriend or get threatening where or umare ne a girlfriend you were all threatening where you are any kindness well at ya brother everybody go to mania okay where you go to mania na me back money emi ni ari turn a life ge niki okay the girl na a boyfriend or get what record eh I want to buy Benny Bojo. We are money cadness well at them. Even when me Jenna, oh, but we are money cadness me la jammer, even niete, umie, well at them. A Facebook, nyok bebo. Ah, yes, 1 week, back, mwere, of a dojo. Because if you know Samario Boji, Baba not dojo on it. Anything, no lads on Facebook, no, no rough, no mama, or salo barrio bojo. Ira mega bien. Ay. Il a fait figurine. Ah. Who to trust? Il a fait wa figurine. Salopa là. Negi malele piano no dan. Negi malele konu dan. Da doge ane rose na tagwe. Eke momijore moko mena we severio. I will pray for Olive Oil. If you are looking for a wife, you call me. Put salt inside that olive oil. Call me and let me bless the olive oil for you. Okay, girl, no sharp. Oh, a boyfriend or record. Oh, yeah, sister me. Ek bakbo man sharpy. Ek bakbo man sharp. Ma bo si me na ma ka be wene na. Mi ma bo da wan egbe. Ma we mi ma video Emma. Also, not a way, so that we move for before. Ugbesodo say, oh, worry, oh, wow, oh, well, mama, we get Jerry way, secret, so we phone way, or say anything, no rough. You see, I hear phone way. Anything, you are begging water before, he may take a snapping walk away. He get with move maybe I have so that you will learn from me. He may take snapping women, and when we want more picture or we phone me. Any kindness, he may want more picture. Or we phone me. You have your again. You may say, man, I have your got that for me. Ubega, Yasek Bakara make you may snap a picture. Even here, you may snap or here. One day, man, I do have a segment. Now, give me stop, Emma. Jawa stop, it's very bad. I can figure you, ne? Il live, so. When he live any man what do I to tamana or the for maybe your man or we are not king winari. Okay. A market can be do in any way opportunity now. Or be a member man or beer, Iguego Goladia. So make I see what you write. Mama, you need to advise our women that they need to pray to knowing man before. They go pray. Now the prayer all of us they pray now. Egenete anatenere wa ebe go bi awamu saloba we say a prayer point in the a prayer line in the middle line or save you. Hello, God bless you.
Mama, I agree to call your go here.
O site we.
Call your mama because the program so like 2 to 3 years in the year what she went, but you are like your program and you give it we are people we go mass and a while look at Jamie So few months for now, I by 50 years, but if you need them, maybe I maybe in Canada, maybe London or US, because while I can.
And everywhere they give away now, brother, me stop it. The prayer line me wala na. Me stop it.
Okay, well, okay. Tell anyone I wrote now.
The Bobby Arrow, I don't want to go that paper. I can't me see Arrow. May you need to go back. You concentrate in prayer. One more when you will stop. So you continue your journey.
Yeah, that is true.
I
understand the system. Very that definitely me not busy now you win now. So career adina. You want me but you want me we now okay no ni what try ni what.
Wa me Facebook. Facebook.
Okay.
Le Facebook ya go avec me avec Facebook.
Okay.
Go site we talk by them.
No.
Hello, God bless you.
God bless you.
God will give away. I know how much I lost. I lose. I not lost any teacher. I not lose anything. Because if you do good, your reward will come. Even if now one person I pray for me, a giveaway, I must be blessed. I must overcome every challenge in my life in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Hello, side somewhere. Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Maintenant, Lady Juliet est non fait.
Okay.
Et nous avons Facebook, vidéo nous avons vu.
Ni only make better ne mama. Ogbera ne wo. Imayo na idu ari me ba me yan no ye na me we iyezeje ayoyo wa e.
Even we like video job, understand.
Mami o. De nous que call ire.
For France, c'est de France.
We live video.
You follow
it. Ja imai.
La non c'est na call. La finale. No ma la for.
Oh Biarwa, God bless you.
So fear because
make it fear. Have the day me many chief calling me ya advice me. Many people all over the world. I said be man no me calling me day ya me. So yeah we are begging me ya ni what forget it no level. Iyo. Biarwa o problem here.
So morion soto.
Wese ko wa ma o wese o salo baga gbinigbina no rowo da rowo yeke o wese ko so if you have me brother una friend oko video record snap ko so we no ko maybe no sunu dai ba ko waga kemi ne moto ari oja ni wo keke wa gugu friend oku ugi ekin oge wa do threaten ewe I get your nakedness. If you not pay me money I go bring your nakedness. No level for that. Hello, God bless you.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
Good to inside you well.
Osati we domo. Mona give me thumbs up.
Mama, we are turning you on, Mama.
Because I did live video, they tell them they give me thumbs up. You say?
I become small matter when I go and follow you Discord.
But as I did live video, can you say it?
Yeah, for sure. Now, if that woman always say divine young girl, why your mama?
No, say for woman matter, I don't stop her now. I want to still concentrate on prayer. I don't stop her. I don't stop her. No, say give away, not be every time. Even church where they do, and I know they do them every day. Now once in a while, if I go do them again, and next time, not be now. Okay? Now, prayer, testimony. Now what I need. Remember bless. Mommy,
Mommy, I talk me.
He said.
Mommy, Osaya, we were. Go.
Iwa surprise power teme wa bi aku we ko na we mommy jore ni here. Iye me pa beti wa love you we.
o SJ wa
Wa
wesi
love you we join ni Rita le Colonia.
o
Iwa love you we le lu no agbo
Iyanju.
Salo pore bless you we ne.
SJ
Emi e go pani ya share program we iwa be wo share.
o
Ko
je
Salo pa de pa we.
Ise.
Ufinu ki o bia ufinu ki o ko mu le gbo mu we.
God bless you ma
Akoya love you. Me why you me ya fefe. You I love you. I'm talking to you with my heart.
SJ
You are a mother to every one of us in Europe.
Wesi
Ukia we mayawa. Oh, she go for dog here.
okay
Salo
Wesi.
pa ya bless you.
Ise
Come on me.
o
Wa
sa
talk
tin we
back.
Ise o
Ese you gaga.
Ise
You are blessed abundantly.
amen and you too
Come on me.
ko Wesi o
Come.
e ka mo tun e we na o don na won give away ni we stop e ko ma la prayer won
The problem is wrong.
Wesi.
Come on.
bye bye
Come. Why?
abi o mo no pa ti 10 me we give away na so my beg life now no love him one thing you people don't understand papa mama j school oh my yalele no omi o meso wa bere wa like itoria u wa like okonu mami o ba o even when me dream a dream okpa won ya
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware